So in this video today, I'm going to be having a tea party. So come on with me, guys. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called the Pumpkin Spice and Everything Nice Tea Day. So let's get started, guys. Now this is being hosted by Sandy Lynn's Home and Garden, myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. We have Jean Home Decor and more, May's Design Corner, Debbie Bubbles, Barbie Daily Rural Life in the Valley, Donna Decor and more, and Joyful Decor by Denise. All right, so let's go around the table here. So this is a beautiful little setting here. I have that plate that I purchased. It was thrifted item, but it came from Hobby Lobby, so Robert Stanley. And then I have those gold placemats, absolutely beautiful, guys. I placed that underneath the dessert plate. And I have this napkin here. That was a thrifted item, and I also have that gold tie that came from the Dollar Tree, and the spoon which came from Aldi, and those beautiful pumpkin cups, they came from Dollar General. All right, so we have that greenery ball that I thrifted, and there is a centerpiece that I revamped that came out so nice. The candle holders and those black candles, including the center candle, which is taupe, they all came from Dollar Tree. I think it came out beautiful, especially that centerpiece. Now we're gonna move on to my tea station right here. So I brought over my assortment of teas. So that can include pumpkin spice. I have an assortment sitting there in each level of that tray. Then we have some oatmeal cookies, and we have the teapot, which is from Ray Dunn. And that was a thrifted item, guys. That was such a good score. And right next to that, I decided to put this beautiful purple cloche. And the cloche did come from the Dollar Tree. And I think this came out so nice. I have that on a vignette tray that I purchased at Dollar Tree as well. And those 2N candles, which are lavender, I'm just loving how this is looking. And yes, this is in the evening, right after dinner. And so all of this display to me looks absolutely cozy and warm and just beautiful. So I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music, and then we're going to head on over to the reveal. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.